Hey everybody, I wanted to show you a final step in the paint protection of a black C3 Corvette. No longer a C7 here. Went back to a C3. I really enjoy classic cars and working on them and keeping them on the road. C3 Corvette, 1970 Corvette. I've gone through many stages of enhancing this black paint that's been severely neglected on this car. Bringing it back, starting off with a really basic wash. I don't like to wash classic cars in terms of water saturation very much, but once every blue moon, a little washing is okay. But you got to be very careful how you do that. I followed that by clay barring the coat with a clay bar using I think that was a Mother's product of clay bar. Followed that by a compound and polish using Meguiar's Ultimate polish and a compound first and then the polish. Done this in several stages, several weeks, using an orbital polisher. Black paint is extremely difficult to take care of, but once you bring it back to life and protect it and keep it maintained, it's very easy to keep clean thereafter. Dust is always a problem, but underneath the dust, once you get the dust off, it's just a matter of very, very glossy and cured and secure paint. So I'm going to do this final stage. I'm not going to show you the process of doing that, but I'm going to show you the product itself. I'm going to use Chemical Guy's Jet Seal. This is excellent for UV protection, sealant, and kind of like a semi-permanent wax. I love to wax it and whatnot, but I don't want to be doing that on a regular basis, so this is a little bit more durable. It says to last up to a year, but of course I'm going to do this probably, now that I have it up to this level, I'll probably apply this once or twice a year. But as you can see, it's looking pretty glossy and pretty damn good right there. But I'm going to finish it off with this sealer and wax by Chemical Guys called Jet Seal. I've used this product before. It is very durable. I wouldn't say it lasts a year, but every few months it's probably needs another layer of protection. So I just wanted to show you all the black gloss and the progress on a C3 70 Corvette, finishing it off with some Jet Seal. You're supposed to apply this for 20 minutes per section, and then wipe it off, and then you got the protection in place. So I hope you all enjoy this little glimpse of the car.